friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set lock screen wallpaper on Samsung tab. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then just click on it, click on setting. Okay, now let's move on display. If you don't find, then you just scroll a little bit to display. Here is the display, click on display. After that, now move on wallpaper. Then right now you can see the second option is the lock screen, so move on lock screen. And the if you want to set from the gallery, you can set from the gallery, and if you want to set from the wallpaper, you just select the wallpapers. So you just slide like this and you are going to find many wallpapers. You can set from here any wallpaper that you are comfortable with. Okay, suppose I select this one and click on set wallpaper. Here the wallpaper has been set successfully. Okay, sorry, I did not click on set live wallpaper, so it has came like that. Okay, you just click on set live wallpaper and it will be set successfully. Okay, suppose I click again on, sorry, suppose I move on setting. Now let's move on the display, then wallpaper and lock screen. I mean it will be on lock screen because I select on lock screen, right? Sorry. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.